ENB stock analysis and ENB stock prediction. In this brief short 1-minute video, I'm breaking down exactly how I'm trading this, my levels and all that good stuff. With having done 40,000 videos, you know, I've seen what's working for me, what's not. It's taken me 5 years to come to this point. So ultimately, ENB, how's this going to look like? It's actually quite simple for me, mate. Like, I'm obviously looking to double down and just take out new highs. All right, so how's it going to look like? Very simple. I doubt that the price is actually just pulled down a bit. I mean, that's the only way that I'm looking to double down and buy, you know. Well, why is it on the TSX? Well, hold up. Let's be on the New York Stock Exchange, man. Why was it on this chart? Doesn't matter though, you know, like, let's zoom out. Well, very simple for me. We just made new higher highs. So how's that going to look like? I'll just mark out the high highs. I'm looking to double down in a way where the only way that I'm looking to buy is if the price pulls down and gives me some confirmations. Buying at the top will not serve me as of now, but other than that, I will continue to keep you updated. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description and get my free email.